Hello children, welcome back to our next session. We are learning chapter 1 Evolution of Computers. In our previous lecture we have learned about history of computer. Right now, so we have learned about different calculating devices, likewise abacus, then Pascal adding machine, then Leibniz calculator, right? Now, next one is Charles Babbage. So, who is Charles Babbage? The Charles Babbage, a British mathematician, is considered to be the father of computers. Right? The Charles Babbage is the father of computers. Right? Now, he invented a working model of mechanical computer called difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. Right? So he has invented two machines. First one is difference engine in 1822 and analytical engine in 1833. The analytical engine had 5 units: input, output, store, mill and control. Right? Based on these units, the present computers work in a similar manner. Right? So, present computers are worked on a input, process and output principle. Right? So, for process, which device we are using? CPU. Right now, so CPU is divided into 3 units. First one is memory unit, second one is arithmetic and logic unit, and third one is control unit. Right? So you can see here memory unit. Right? The memory unit works like a store. Then arithmetic and logic unit. The arithmetic and logic unit works like a mill. Right? And control unit. The control unit works like a control. Right? The store was used for storing the data and mill was the calculating unit. Right? So what is the use of store? The store was used to store the data and mill was the calculating unit. Right? And control unit was used for supervising all the units. Next, Augusta Ada. The Lady Augusta Ada Lovelace was the first lady programmer. Right? The Augusta Ada was the first lady programmer and she suggested binary data storage, that means 0 and 1 instead of decimal number system. Right? As we all know, computer cannot understand our English language. Right? Now, the computer will work on binary language, that means 0 and 1. Right? So in 1842, Augusta Ada has suggested binary data storage concept. Next one, George Boole. So who was George Boole? The George Boole was the inventor of Boolean algebra. He solved mathematical problems by reducing them to a series of positive or negative answered questions and linked it with binary system of ones for positive and zeros for negative. Right? So, if there were some mathematical problems, so it has divided this problem into two parts, positive and negative. Right? So he has bifurcated this problem into two parts, positive and negative, and after that it has linked it with the binary system. Right? The ones for positive and zeros for negative answers. So this system is known as what? Boolean logic, right? And it became the fundamental principle for the design of computer circuits, right? So in present we are using circuits in our computer, right? So these circuits will be use this principle. Next one, Dr. Hermann Hollerith. Who was Dr. Hermann Hollerith? So Hermann Hollerith, an American statistician, invented a machine called tabulating machine, right? So Hermann Hollerith has invented tabulating machine in which year? In 1880, and it was capable of reading data, processing it, and giving the desired output, right? So it works on input, processing, and output. The input was given through punch cards, right? Right now we are using a keyboard, mouse, then scanner as a input device, right? Now, so at that time he has used punch cards for input, and it used punch cards to record and store data or information. Next one, John von Neumann. So he started the practice of storing data and instructions in a binary code in memory, right? So John von Neumann has started to store data and instructions in a binary code, that means in zeros and ones in a memory. In which year? In 1940. He also initiated the use of memory to store data as well as program, right? So he has also initiated how to use memory to store data and program. Next one, Howard Aiken. So Howard Aiken was the primary engineer in IBM who developed the first automatic sequence controlled calculator, the Mark I, in 1944, right? So Howard Aiken has invented which machine? Mark I. In which year? In 1944. The next one, ENIAC. ENIAC stands for Electronic Numeric Integrator and Calculator. And ENIAC was the first general purpose electronic digital computer which was invented in 1946, right? ENIAC was the first general purpose electronic digital computer. So it was invented by John Mauchly and J. Presper Eckert. It consisted of 18,000 vacuum tubes and was 1,000 times faster than the Mark I. Next one, UNIVAC 1. UNIVAC stands for Universal Automatic Computer. The first commercial electronic computer was developed by J. Presper Eckert and John Mauchly in 1951, right? And it was also the first computer to handle both numeric and text data, right? So UNIVAC handles both the data, that means numeric data and text data, right? So I have given some homework to you, right? And next we will learn in our next lecture. Thank you.